So my name's Professor Deborah Tweddle. I'm a Professor of Paediatric Oncology at Newcastle University. What we've done is we've studied blood and bone marrow samples from 40 children with neuroblastoma from around the UK to look for the presence of what are called circulating tumour cells. And we found that we can detect circulating tumour cells in most children that have the type of neuroblastoma called high-risk neuroblastoma. That means the neuroblastoma has spread from the original site of disease, usually the adrenal gland, through the bones and bone marrow and to distant sites. What we also found is that by counting the numbers of these circulating tumour cells, we could associate that with the response that the child has to initial treatment at diagnosis. And this was something that was unexpected, to be able to link the numbers of circulating tumour cells with being able to predict response to treatment. So I would like to think that in a few years we'll be able to use this method of looking at cells and measuring the numbers in children with high-risk neuroblastoma to help us decide how long we need to give them treatment for initially, to help us to tailor the right treatment so that we don't give too much and cause more side effects, but that we give enough to get the child into remission and hopefully stay there so that they can be more children cured in the long term.
This is a new frontier, so this is liquid biopsies, so we no longer have to do invasive biopsies in children. We can take blood samples and do a lot more than we used to do in the past. So this is a new avenue for us where a small amount of material can go a long way. So these things take a long time because they have to be tested and safety and efficacy have to be measured. So it will be a few years before it's rolled out to clinic, but won't be too long with modern research. So we hope to be in a few years that the patient can actually start benefiting from it.